Do you run a music label, artist, or music-related business and are wondering if forming an LLC is the right step for you? In this video, I'm going to walk you through the step-by-step process of forming an LLC for your music business, whether you're a musician, music producer, or even own a record label. I'll cover how it can protect your assets, give your business credibility, and help you manage your finances more effectively. Make sure to stay tuned until the end because I'll reveal the cheapest business formation service that can help you form and set up your music business LLC for free today. Let's get started. Why form an LLC for your music business? Here are some key reasons why forming an LLC for your music business is a smart decision. Reason 1, limited liability protection. Whether you're performing gigs, producing tracks, or selling music online, your music business can run into financial risks, including contracts disputes, accidents at live events, or legal claims. Forming an LLC helps protect your personal assets, such as your home and car, from being seized if your business faces legal or financial trouble. Reason 2, enhanced credibility. Forming an LLC can enhance credibility when dealing with banks, potential investors, and collaborators. Whether you're negotiating with venues, record labels, or distributors, having an LLC can make your business dealings smoother and more formal. It signals that the label is not only driven by passion, but is also built on a solid legal foundation, prepared to navigate industry challenges and meet professional standards. Reason 3, tax flexibility. An LLC record label offers a more streamlined and flexible approach to taxation. Unlike a corporation that faces double taxation, where both the company and the owner are taxed separately, an LLC allows profits and losses to flow directly to the owner's personal tax return. This can simplify tax filing and potentially reduce the overall tax burden. Another key advantage is the ability to choose how the business is taxed. Based on the label's profits and growth potential, owners can elect to be taxed as a C corporation or S corporation, which may provide advantages like reduced self-employment taxes. Reason 4, separation of finances. Keeping your business and personal finances separate is crucial. An LLC allows you to open a dedicated business bank account, making it easier to track your income and expenses, which is essential for accounting and tax purposes. Steps to form an LLC for your music business. Here are the essential steps to forming an LLC for your POD business. Choose your LLC name. Appoint a registered agent. File the articles of organization. Create an operating agreement. Obtain an EIN, employer identification number. Open a business bank account. Step 1, choose your LLC name. Select the perfect name for your record label, LLC, by focusing on more than just creativity. It's about reflecting your brand's essence. Start by brainstorming names that align with your music genre, vision, and audience. Successful record labels often have names that evoke a distinct vibe, making them memorable to both artists and fans. Once you've narrowed down your options, check your state's business registry to ensure the name is available. Some states have specific rules, such as requiring LLC in the name or restricting certain words. Additionally, verify that your music LLC name doesn't infringe on existing trademarks. Step 2, appoint a registered agent. A registered agent is responsible for receiving legal documents on behalf of your LLC. You can be your own registered agent, or you can hire a professional service to handle this for you. Using a professional registered agent ensures you never miss important legal notices, especially if your music business has different locations or you're frequently on the road. While you might consider acting as your own registered agent to save money, using a professional third-party service offers several key advantages. With a registered agent service like Northwest Registered Agent, you won't be tied to a single address during business hours, giving you greater flexibility. Additionally, using a service helps avoid uncomfortable situations, such as being served legal documents in front of clients or partners. Check the description below for a link to get a discount with Northwest Registered Agent. Step 3, file the articles of organization. The Articles of Organization, sometimes referred to as the Certificate of Formation, is a crucial document that officially establishes your LLC once it's approved. Requirements and fees for filing this document can vary significantly by state, but you'll generally need to provide key details such as your LLC's name, business address, registered agent, and the members involved. Many states allow online filing, though some may still require the application to be mailed. accuracy is critical, any mistakes can delay the approval process. Once submitted and accepted, you'll receive confirmation that your record label, LLC, is officially recognized, marking a major step in building your label's legal foundation. Step 4. Create an operating agreement. An operating agreement outlines how your LLC will be managed. While not required by every state, having one is important, especially if you're running the music business with others. It helps clarify the ownership structure, decision-making process, and how profits will be divided. Even if you're the sole owner, having an operating agreement can protect you in case of disputes or legal issues down the road. Step 5. Get an EIN, Employer Identification Number. An EIN, or Employer Identification Number, is required for tax purposes and is also necessary to open a business bank account. You can obtain an EIN for free directly through the IRS website. Once you have your EIN, it's important to review your state's tax obligations. Depending on your location, you may need to register for sales tax, unemployment insurance, or other state-specific taxes. Step 6. Open a business bank account. Once your LLC is formed, you'll need to open a separate business bank account. This is essential for keeping your music income and expenses separate from your personal finances. To open a business bank account, you'll need your Articles of Organization, LLC Operating Agreement, Business License, LLC Name, Address, Phone Number, and EIN, DBA or Assumed Name Certificate, if applicable. Personal information, driver's license number, date of birth, SSN, address, etc. Having a business bank account also makes it easier to manage finances when receiving royalties, payments from gigs, or income from music sales. Conclusion. Forming an LLC for your music business can offer essential benefits, such as personal asset protection, tax flexibility, and improved credibility with clients and partners. Whether you're a solo artist, producer, or running a label, forming an LLC is a smart way to protect your assets and manage your business more effectively. If the process seems overwhelming, you can hire a professional LLC formation service like Northwest Registered Agent to handle the paperwork for you. Keep watching as I show you how to form your LLC in under 3 minutes through Northwest. First, click the link in the description or go to startllc.co/Northwest to take advantage of the $39 LLC formation discount. Then, click on the Let's Get You Started button. Choose your business entity as LLC and select your preferred state. For example, if you choose Delaware as your preferred state, you'll notice that there are 3 types of filing option fee based on number of days for processing. Standard processed in 11 days for $110. Expedited processed in 9 days for $145. Expedited 7 days processed for $185. You can pick your preferred choice, but I would recommend the standard option to save formation costs. The Northwest Registered Agent costs $0, which saves you $200. Additionally, the filing service fee of $100 is also free, which results in a total savings of $300. Next, click the Continue button, which takes you to the Company Details tab. This is where you enter your new or existing business details, including your company/business name, address, and other relevant information. If unsure about your business purpose, simply toggle on the Use Generic Business Purpose. You can also use Northwest Registered Agents and mailing addresses as your business address, eliminating the need for a separate U.S. address. Next, click the Continue button, which takes you to the Company Management tab. Enter the management information for your LLC, including the names and addresses of your managers and their roles in the company. If you are a single-member business, leave it at 1 member and enter your name. Next, click the Continue button, which takes you to the Contact Details tab. Fill in your contact details, including your local address, phone number, and email. Then, set up your account with Northwest Registered Agent using your email and preferred password. This will allow you to access their services and have access to your personal dashboard. Next, click the Continue button, which takes you to the Business Identity tab, which is optional. It includes the following, which is free for 90 days. Domain name registration 1 free year, website hosted by Northwest, owned by you. Business email address, business phone. Personally, I wouldn't select this, but it's all up to you. Other optional items include tax ID, S corporation election with the IRS 50. Premium mail service. Trademark service. If you have an SSN for the tax ID, getting an EIN will cost you $50. However, if you don't have a Social Security number, SSN, Northwest can still get an EIN for your company from the IRS, which costs $200. To save costs and get your EIN faster, I would recommend getting your EIN for free by yourself by visiting the IRS website. I'll leave the IRS website link in the description for you. Finally, once you've completed the steps, you can check out and finalize your music business LLC formation. Congratulations! You've successfully formed your LLC. Click the link in the description to get started with forming your LLC for music business today. If you found this process helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tips on building and scaling your business. If you have any questions about forming an LLC for your music business, feel free to ask in the comments. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your music business.